Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix MCP management service error on Windows 11. Right click Start menu, then select Run, then type Powershell. Click OK. Paste the command. This command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Right click Start menu, then select Run, then type CMD. Click OK. Paste the command. This command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Then open any browser. Then search bar google.com. Then type Microsoft C++ Visual Redis package. Click Enter. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Visual C++. Download according to your operating system. Install after the download is complete. Tick mark I agree. Click Install. After the installation is finished, reboot your computer. Click Restart. Then check to see if the issue has been fixed. If the same type of issue continue, proceed to next procedure. Click Start menu. Then type CMD. Open CMD Run as administrator. Paste the command. This command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. It would start scanning for corrupted or missing file on your PC. After the process is finished at 100%, then click Start menu. Then type CMD. Open CMD Run as administrator. Paste the command. This command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Thanks for watching.